guys, today we're going to play. We're going to play. What? Bro's flexing on me. Or she's giving it to me. Is she my fan? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. She's so nice. What the heck? I couldn't stop crying. Okay, let's just put my seats. And also, we're going to play Grow a Garden. That's like her garden. Where is she? What a kind guy. Let me just drink my water. Let's say thanks. Thank you. Let's sell this guy. I want to sell him. Here's what. Oh, I'm already have 1 million now. Guys, we play my money and then this is actually mine because this is mine. Okay, yeah. So this is let's sell the gold in my let's sell gold to the guy. Oh gosh, what was that? Why there's so many people like this? How to get cactus? Okay, let's sell to this guy. I don't have to match that one. So let's go buy a seed. She just teleport to her garden, I think. Please. I thought I was just looking for the... Why there's no cactus always? I have a cactus already. I mean, that for the seed. I have that. Oh, come on. Let's buy this. If I'm wasting my money. Okay, let's go to my garden now. Put it. What a such a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. Hey. What my pumpkin looks like poop. I forgot what's this called. Oh, it's a watermelon. Okay, let's go to my inventory. Strawberry seed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, thank you. Carrot. What a such a beautiful day. Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. But this time, yeah, I did. We can actually climb the bamboos. That is hilarious. I mean, cool. Or is it hilarious or cool? Let's sell my inventory. Let's sell this guy. Oh, a frog. Wait, what? It's a frog. Such a frog. Thank you. Let's go to my garden. Get away the rabbit and then sell to someone else. Get the rabbit. Pick up. So let's sell it to this guy. How do we get ants? Okay, let's go to my garden. Good. A frog! Okay. Gosh. What is happening? What the heck? Golden Lab. Stop. Is there a bamboo? Let's go. I mean seeds. Is there a go? Oh, yes. I would like. Thank you. Let's see if there's some. Come on, why there's no beam stuck right now? My garden's such getting big now. Before it was like so little. Like yeah. Sounds like hell yeah. Okay, let's put more seeds. Tomato seeds. Come on, let's just put all of here. This one here. Okay, that's much better. Now I'm empty. I'm not getting golden lab because I love it. I smell a little ant here. Okay, carrot seed. What? That carrot seed is. Why does it look? It's looking up like a poop now. Like I am so good. I have a night war. Yata gave it to me. Okay. I have a one like. Okay, let's go to sell. I mean no, my garden still. Let's just buy some seeds because I can't sell. Oh, I thought I saw something unstuck. But I really need that. There's nothing in stock. What the heck, bro? Just some carrots. Sorry. Let's go to my garden. Oh yeah. Why is the bro chilling? Oh my gosh, it's a fairy gold. What the heck is this? I forgot. Oh, it's a gold watermelon. Whatever it's called, I forgot. What even in the world is that? Okay. Grow on. Why the heck does it looks like freaky acid? Okay, let's go to gears. Excuse me, bamboo. Thank you. Okay, let's just get the carrot seed first. Because I hate digging up this. But I love golden rod because it gave me a special seed that made me get stronger. Go to well. Why is it so... Oh my gosh! Welcome to my stand. Show me the gear stuff. No! Bro! I'm going to die with that because I only have a little money. Whatever it's that, is that 10 million? I mean, bro is so sleepy. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a pumpkin. The look. Oh my gosh. Gasp. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is she going to give it to me? Oh yes. She is. That is the best day ever. Best day. I'm going to have 1,000,000, guys. Let's sell, by the way. I want to sell this. Oh, thank you so much. Watering can use. Why the heck does it look like a poop though? Please help me with this, guy. Let's just use it. Okay. It's a tree. It's a tree, guys. It's a tree. My coconut tree. It's coming up. Let's go. This is my other tree. Oh gosh. Ah! First it looked like a poop. Hehe. Okay. What the heck is everyone's, guys? So. How can we get up here? The hunger is so wow. How can I get up here? I need to get subscribed to that shitty ass boy. Oh my gosh, it's about to die. Please give me some plants. Please. Web. Okay. Go to garden. I mean, go to seeds. I want to get the other green stuff. Let's get the blue stuff. No, what's bamboo seed? They don't. Mythical. I got the mythical. Ooh, let's get that. Tomato. Thank you. Only 14? That's like so cheap. What the heck is even that? Oh my gosh. Why the heck is it so slow? My garden's about to grow so big now. Think. What the pumpkin? It's already growing so up. Why does it looks gold? It's supposed to be dark orange, like in real life. However, I think the bees got them. Breaking to Puporta. I'm not a beggar. I'm just going to the honey. Oh, go left. What the heck? How are you even a bee, but you're a bear? We need 3 honeys. Up. There's so little. Guys, I'm going to be AFK for a sec. Okay, guys, I'm back. Bro, skip on leaving. What? Iwan.